Hi everyone, I'm here to give you some tips on how to use the assignments page, which in the old D2L used to be called Dropbox. So you'll hear me say in class sometimes assignment and assignment Dropbox. And we'll every once in a while submit assignments here, but mostly in class, like we practiced last night when we did the paraphrase draft. And you guys, a lot of you uploaded that. So every once in a while we'll do that in class, and then very, very rarely, like we're doing for the paraphrase assignment, I'll ask you to actually upload that assignment before class so that I can print them after class and grade the assignment. And you'll have instructors in your future using D2L in this way where they ask you to submit an assignment online. And some of them will grade them online and some of them will print them and grade them. So just letting you know that this is good practice for future courses, whether you're taking campus courses or online courses. So from the home page, inside of our D2L section, you guys see that I've logged into D2L and I'm also in our English section. You're going to go to Activities and then Assignments. So I'm first going to show you how to upload an assignment because a few of you were still needing help with that last night, and I just want to make sure you know how to do it. So remember, the assignment you're submitting for class, before class starts on the 20th, on Wednesday, is the revised paraphrase assignment. So when you're ready to submit it, you click on the link. It takes you inside the assignment. This is working like, it's called a Dropbox sometimes, but it's working like an email attachment too. It's working the exact same way. We just have to follow the steps within the D2L program to get that file attached. So the first thing we have to do is add a file. And I'm going to go to my computer because that's where I have my file saved. And I think I'm going to go find, I don't think I left that file there. I'm going to go to my documents and find the paraphrasing assignment that I need to select and look at how many documents I have. So hopefully you don't have as many as I do, because I get tired of scrolling through all of these. These are all files I've used with my work. Isn't that crazy? All right, so let's see, which file is it? It's the practice one. This one. So that's the file I'm uploading and turning in. You notice when you click upload and you select the file and click open, that the file then gets attached here, but it won't actually attach all the way until you click add. So now it's added, but now you have to submit it. So let me extend my window down here. I actually don't think it's going to let me. It might. Yep, there it goes. You guys can see the submit button below. So you upload the file, you add it, it's there. We've completed the add file process, right? Or the uploading process, which is what D2L says right there. Then you can put any comments here that you want. Here's my assignment. I found this really hard to do. Whatever you want to say. If you have questions or whatever, you can type those into your instructor. And then there's one last step, which is to submit. Then you should get a file submission successful screen, and it shows the file that you uploaded. It shows what time and the date that it was uploaded, so your instructors will be able to see that you turned it in at that particular time. And then this is also set up that you should get an email up here that tells you that it was successfully submitted. So you're getting two confirmations from the system that the file was uploaded and submitted properly. All right, so one more thing I want to show you. So I'm going to click done, and it's going to take me out of this screen and probably back to the submission folder, right, which is where I've gone. So some of you might be wondering now that you've uploaded this file. So there's my confirmation email. I just want to show you. It took a few seconds for me to receive it, but it says submission receipt. So you guys are all getting these when you submit stuff in the Dropbox or in the assignment Dropbox, so you know for sure that I've received it. So next step, sorry, I wanted to show you that email real quick. The next step for a lot of you that uploaded your files before the end of class last night is, now that you're home, you want to revise that file. Well, you're not going to find the file by going back here. This is where you submit assignments to instructors. So I want you to see that there's this column here called submissions, and if you click on the little one that has a hyperlink, it will take you to the file that you submitted for that particular assignment. So now you can click on that and then download it to your computer at home. So that's how you're going to access files that you submit to your instructor that you've uploaded to this assignment. The system's calling it assignment folder. Is that what it? Assignment submission folder? Yeah. So you'll hear me just call it Dropbox for short, but this is the new terminology for the new version of D2L. All right, so that was it. Just wanted to show you if you needed help with uploading or finding the file that you need to revise your paraphrase. And you got that now, so I'll see you guys in class on Wednesday. Have a great day.